here is the final breakdown. This is Ratchet and Clank's Proton cannon. You get this pretty early on in the game. Okay. So I'm gonna mute myself and play it. Sweet. That is that. Oh, that stop. There we go. All right. Excuse me. Let's break this down. So let me first make sure things that I don't want to play are muted. Mute, 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 and mute. Okay. So the transient. This one is separated slightly differently. I separate this one into 5 categories. There's the transient, there's the loop, the whooshes, the riser, and then the explosion. So here is the transient. And so all the sounds are a variation of the whooshes, which I'll get to in a second. So this is all serum based basically, except for the sweeteners. The sweeteners are the only things that are pulled from like a motor or some type of like sci-fi thing in my library, which I processed also. So let's just listen to the synth stuff here, which is the stuff from Serum. So by itself is not very interesting until you add everything else. Yeah. Adding the extra like sci-fi elements makes it more interesting. At one point, I didn't have this low end feature here, so it kind of did sound a little thin. It sounded thin to me, but having that extra layer here kind of like beefed it up a bit. All right, that's the transient. Let's talk about the whoosh first. All right, so the whooshes are from this. So that's playing. That's not playing. Why is that not playing? Let's see. It's playing there, but not playing here. Let's see if I can fix this. Okay, is there anything else? Oh, wait. No, that's not it. Huh. Interesting. Well, let's go ahead and just play this. I have to figure that out. So this is the whooshes. This is without the added element. So this is just with what I did in Serum. Actually, if I stretch this out, this is the patch. Actually, if I stretch this out, yeah, that's basically what this patch is. It's just the whoosh. And so then, this has like a it was pretty good by itself, but you know, I wanted to add it more. So I went ahead and added another layer to it. And here's that layer. Yeah. I thought that brought out a lot of characteristics as well. Uh, for the loop is basically the whoosh without the like without I believe without the LFO, like uh, increasing and decreasing a lot. So let's listen to just this part. Yes. It's just that without like a tremolo LFO without the movement. Then I went ahead and added other elements to it. Yeah. Okay. Next is the riser, and here is that synth patch here. Let's see if this will play. I don't know why that's not playing, but okay. Here is wait. Wow. Was it mute this whole time? Man, I'm a professional. Okay, let's see. Okay, here we go. Before we get to the riser, let me go back to the wish real quick. This is okay. This is the patch. Yes. Here's the patch. And I took this patch and basically made different variations of the same thing. So this is that same patch. And then also I added just another element on top to give it more life. And then the explosion. Let me mute this and that. Come down here. Ah, yes. So that's the serum patch for the explosion. I think for this one I added just distortion. I didn't add the hyper effect to it. So let's listen to that. It's gonna play now. Oh no. Okay. Here we go. And then this is with all the other elements. Sweet. Let's play the entire thing. Let me mute everything. So synths are out of my comfort zone. Are out of my comfort zone, and so this is like the one thing that I try and work on every day now. I feel like I'm getting more comfortable as time goes on. Let me close this here. Everything is in order. Sweet. Hey, thanks for the follow. I appreciate it. All right, let's play this whole thing. Mute myself real quick. Sweet. That's the breakdown for the proton cannon. Proton drone. Proton drone. I'm thinking about Iron Man, and this is Ratchet and Clank.